students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Topic for today's video is how to write number, names and how to write numeral form. What are the numeral form and what is the number names form? Yes, when we are writing like this is numeral form. When we write the number with the help of the digits, this is numeral form. If this number is written with the help of the English alphabets, English words, that is called number names. As we can see, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred and this is thousand. So we will write this 3000, 3000, yes, 400, 56. Yes, so when we are writing the number like this with the help of the words of English, then this is called number names form, and this is with the help of the digits, this is numeral form. This is numeral form. Yes, so here I will tell you how to write numeral form and how to write number names with the help of the examples. Firstly, I am giving one example to you. For example, a number is given to you. Yes, to this we have to write in number names. We have to write number names. Yes, for example, heading is there, write number names. Yes, this number is given to you. First of all, your first step will be there that each digit, हर एक digit को अपनी place के according identify करना है. 6 is on which place? Ones place. For ones we can write short O only. Yes, this is tens place. We can write only T for tens place. And this is hundreds, we can write H. This is hundreds place, and this is thousand place. Like this we can write thousand. Yes, so we have to write number name. Number names means we have to write in English alphabets. Yes, so how we will write this? Now we know the places of each and every digit, and as I told you, these both are the best friends. These will be always written and spoken together. Yes, now what is there? 3896. Speaking style is this, 3896. As we have spoken, in the same way we will write. What we have spoken? 3000. Spelling of 3000. Now spelling of thousand. These you have to learn by heart. 3800. 96. Yes, now this is the number name. This is numeral form. This is the number name. And our question was write number names. For this number we have to write this number name. Now one more example I am going to take. This was example 1. Now example 2. Yes, now this is the numeral form, and we have to write numeral form into number name form. Yes, as per the places, this is ones place, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand. So how we will write this? 4031. 4031. So 4000. We have to write the spellings very much carefully. 4000. Now 0 100. This we will not write. In speaking also we will not speak this, and in writing also we will not speak this. We will write 4000. These will be best friends come together. We will write 4031. 4031. Yes, 4031. 100 place 0 is there, so we will not write this, and we will also not speak this. When we will speak this number, this is 4031. Yes. Now one more example for this, that is this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds, and this is thousand. So how we will write the number name for this? This is 5000. 5000. 0 hundreds. As earlier I told you, no need to write 0 hundred, so we will not write this. These will become together because these are the best friends. 0 1 means 1. 0 1 means 1. So here we will write 5001. 5001. Yes, 5001. Yes. Now the students, this was that numeral form is given to you, and we are writing numeral to the number names. Now next is writing numerals. Writing numerals. How to write the numerals? Write numeral form. Numeral form means we have to write in mathematics digits. Yes. So how to write numeral form? There is one important thing, that you must know the places. Places, ones, tens, 100, 1000. These you must know. For example, yes, if it is there 6000, 991. Yes, to this we have to write in numeral form. Yes, so here 6000, 991. Yes. Now firstly we will write the places. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. With one finger space we will write all the places. One finger space के साथ we will write all the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Yes. Now 6000. 6000. Under the 1000 we will write 6. 6000 under 1000 we will write 6. 900. 900. 100 के नीचे we will write 9. And these both are best friends. ये इकट्ठे ही आएंगे. Here it is 91. So how we will write 91? So it is 6991. 6991. In this way we have to write numeral form. We have to write numeral form. Now one more example for this is, that is, for example, there is 9000 9084. 9084. Now firstly we will write the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Yes, 9000. Here we will write 9. And when we observe the statement, we can see 100 word is not there. 100 is not written in this statement. It is 9084. 100 word is not there. So under the 100 we will write 0. We will write 0. Then 84. These both are the best friends. How 84 will be written here? 8 and here 4. So it is 9084. Like this we have written the numeral form. Yes, hope you have understood this concept. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead. God bless you.